Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Hey Girlfriend, you feel me? Okay, and I'm gonna show you how I get my hair to be as lovely as it is right now. You know, how I make it so beautiful. Like, what's my routine? What do I do? What's the process? You know, so stay tuned, okay, because I got you. Okay. Hey you guys, I finally washed my hair. You know, it's been a couple of days, actually a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys how I style it. Okay, so my hair should be pretty much damp right now. Ooh, let me make sure this mirror is facing me. Fuck, sorry y'all. Oh, it looks like I might have just a little bit of heat damage, you know, just tiny bit, you know, but I don't know, like I really don't. Okay, anyways, I'm writing about something else that y'all don't care about. But yeah, let's get started. I'm going to use the Cream of Nature, the Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, okay, period. This right here, holy grail, okay? You got to shake before you spray for this one, so, yeah. Ooh, I'm already tired. All right, next thing I'm going to use is this. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe, okay? Honestly, I don't know if this really even does anything in my hair. I just like the way it smells. It smells like I said, sea salts. Like, it smells like sea salt. It smells good, but I feel like, you know, just add it to the mix. Oh. But yeah, I love a lot of water-based products. Love. Okay, next I'm gonna use the Garnier Fructis buttercream. Okay, they have another one called, what is it called? Oh, hold on, I'm sorry. What's the other one called? The green one. It's like a smooth and shine. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The green version of this. I use that one too, but mostly when I'm gonna straighten my hair, like I use a little bit, like a little dot of it. But yeah, I like the curl one better, honestly. But yeah, I'm just gonna rake it through my hair. Just take some, you know, that's not how much. You know, everybody be like, get a dime size, get a nickel size. Nah, I'm really trying to make sure my whole entire hair is moisturized, like super moisturized, just for the fact that I don't put products in my hair for the next few days. Like, I really don't. Like, so I gotta make sure the first day I'm grabbing everything. Okay, here we go. Next, I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I feel like mousses have been working so well for me in my hair. I feel like they're life, like, you know? Yeah, I take, you know, a lot. Ow. Okay, next I'm going to take Shea Moisture Superfruit Multivitamin Hair Mask. Okay, this thing, oh my bad. This thing is literally almost out. I'm not too sure if this is focusing or not. I'm trying to watch for my watch, but it's not really showing me. But yeah, I'll just tag the products down below where you can buy them from. I try not to take too much, or put too much, not take too much, put too much in my hair, just for the fact that products like this can really weigh my hair down, really weigh it down. So I don't want to put too much in my hair or it's gonna be ugly. Okay, I'm done with that. Then I'm gonna take, oh, sorry, I couldn't even open it. This Cantu, my bad, Cantu Define and Shea Custard. Okay, whoops, turning it the wrong way. Turning up, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this, like, you can see, like, it's like a jelly type thing. I love this. Love, love, love. And I'm going to rake that through my hair like you see I'm doing now. Ugh. Okay, that should be enough. I'm going to go back in again with my mousse. Should really make sure. Yeah, and I style my hair like this. I make sure I'm pulling it to the front and I'm pulling it to the sides and I'm pulling it to the back, like you see. Just for the, so when it sits in the afro, it looks nice. Like you won't see a middle part. Like I won't have to pick into a middle part. Like this is the middle part. Because I don't like how the middle part looks. But yeah, you guys, I let my hair dry for a couple of hours and I'm going to diffuse it for you guys so you guys can see the end result. All right, cool. Yeah, it don't take long. Like it really don't take long to do my hair. Then I just pick because I love big hair. Like why not? Like why not have big hair? Like period. That shit is great. Okay, you okay? Let me. Okay, period. Okay, I'm looking cute or whatever. But yeah, this is my whole hair routine. Like. After that, the next day, well, I'll go to sleep, put a bonnet over my head. Next day, I'll get in the shower, take my bonnet off before I get in the shower, of course, and let the steam hit my hair, let it fluff out. Yeah, let the steam hit my hair and rub my fingers like this, like shake the curls loose or whatever. Then I get out the shower. Sometimes it's a little bit wet, like at the ends, and I let it air dry, and boom, I'm back to my afro or whatever. And I break some of the curls. But yeah, it's really, 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 truly a simple process. But usually I do this overnight. Like, I wash my hair at night, put the products in, let it air dry for maybe an hour, put my bonnet on, go to sleep, let it dry throughout the night, wake up the next morning, get in the shower, let the steam hit it, fluff it out, pull out the curls, and this is what I get. Like, I rarely use my diffuser now unless I'm doing my hair like this in the same day if I need it for that night. But yeah, this is my curly hair routine. So thank you guys. So this is my curly hair routine. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully these tips is gonna work for y'all. Okay, you feel me? Okay, hopefully y'all gonna be as popping as me, you feel me, or whatever. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, okay? Because this is your girl, Hey Girlfriend, and you know, you my girlfriend or you my boyfriend, and we together for life. You feel me? Period. Okay, the end.